Kolanupaka, the sacred land where Jagadguru Renukacharya established the Veerashaiva Parampara. An ancient village in Telangana, Kolanupaka has been a thriving heritage center where Hindu and Jain traditions have flourished for centuries. Someshwara temple, built during the Chalukya period and expanded by the Kakatiyas, showcases beautiful stone art and inscriptions. Its Sahasralinga chamber and a nearby Jain shrine make Kolanupaka a rare confluence of culture, spirituality and history. According to Veerashaiva tradition, this is the sacred place where Jagadguru Renukacharya is believed to have manifested from the Someshwara Linga by the divine will of Lord Shiva. The other four Acharyas, Darukacharya, Ekoramacharya, Panditacharya and Vishveshwaracharya are traditionally believed to have manifested from the divine lingas at Ujjain, Kedarnath, Srisailam and Kashi. Together, these five divinely manifested acharyas established the Panchapitas, forming the sacred Veerashaiva Parampara.